Hey everyone, it's Norm from Norm Hamilton Photography. Today we're going to take a look at a simple, quick, inexpensive way to speed up your photo and video post-processing by adding memory to your computer. We'll add the memory to an Acer Aspire TC885 desktop PC. However, the process is similar for all desktops and is usually just as simple for most laptops. This PC came with 8 GB of DDR4 2666 MHz UDIMM memory. I mention that because when you're adding to existing memory, it's important to make sure that what you're adding matches what's already there. So if you find this video helpful, I'd love it if you could click the thumbs up below. I'll also be adding more tips on improving your photography and video for you, so please subscribe to this channel to keep updated. Okay, now on to this quick and simple tip. So here we are ready to add some memory to this computer. We take the back cover off, and that opens up the inner workings of the computer here. And what we're going to do is place the memory right into this front slot that's facing here. This slot already has 8 GB of memory in it, and the memory we're going to add matches what's in here. It's a DDR4 8 GB 2666 MHz piece of memory. In order to fit that in here, what we need to do is, over on the left here is this little clip that's right here. We move it over to the left in order to make space to put the new memory in. When we push it down, it'll clip down into space. So this is the new piece of memory that's going to go in there. And all we do is fit it neatly into the slot, like so, whoops. Let's get it back in focus, and then we just push it down. You'll hear a click, and everything is in place. It's ready to go. What we do now is boot up the computer and make sure the RAM is being recognized. So that's the next step. Okay, now we have the memory installed, so we need to double check and make sure that it's installed correctly and that the computer can read it. So we just go down here to the search box, type in RAM, and then click on the View RAM Info here, and installed RAM is right there, 16 GB. So we've had a successful installation. The computer can not only see it, but read it and use the memory that's there. So I hope this was helpful to you, and thanks for joining me.